Welcome to this video where you'll find out how to use a massage gun on the foot. We'll go through which attachment to use, how to hold it, where to put it, the settings that you need to put it on and how long for. At the end of the video then I'll go through where to go if you are still confused. My name's Claire, I'm a physiotherapist from PhysioFit Health. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep updated with our videos. Using the massage gun on your foot, I would get you in a seated position and have your foot on the opposite knee. So you've just got easy access to underneath the foot. The attachment that I prefer on the foot is this one. It's the kind of the pointy one. The setting I would be putting the massage gun onto would be 8 to 10. So my one can go all the way up to 20 and go roughly halfway in between. It is really a personal preference, so you can go that little bit slower or you can go a little bit faster, so just kind of figure out what works for you. I'd get you using the massage gun on the foot for 1 to 2 minutes. Start by popping the gun on the heel and then you can move the gun all the way up to the front of the foot. Now, when you're doing this, within that 1 to 2 minutes, you can really just find where feels tight for you and then you can hold the massage gun there just for a little bit, just to try and loosen off that different area. If anything is really painful, then obviously you're not going to keep going onto that area. So yeah, that's the technique with the massage gun. There are details in the description below on the products that we would recommend, including which massage gun that we've chosen to use. If you are confused in any way and would like a little bit more individual advice, then book yourself an online appointment with us. If you go to our website, you've got the booking button. It's really straightforward. You'll see our calendar and you can book yourself in. See you soon.